Hello everybody, welcome to MS Craftshop. Today I would like to show you new products from the craft.o.clock that I recently received. Let's start with a children-themed collection called My Sweet Treasure. My Sweet Treasure paper collection is exceptional. The characters take you to a fairy tale world full of otherworldly flying and cute creatures. Those are unisex and you can create projects perfect for both boys and girls. The collection offers 3 sets of papers in different sizes: 15 and 25 cm by 15 and 25 cm, 20 and 3 cm by 20 and 3 cm, and 30.5 cm by 30.5 cm. All the sheets in the set have exactly the same design. The only difference between the sets is the extras available on the other sides of the covers. The smallest and the middle set of paper includes 24 double-sided papers. To be more precise, 6 designs with 4 double-sided sheets per design. The largest set includes 6 double-sided papers, 12 designs in total. While the smallest paper is perfect for card making, larger papers will be excellent for albums, journals, and bigger projects. This extras set is fantastic for albums and journals. There are pockets, envelopes, tags, birth certificates, cards and numbers, which will be very useful in making the photo album to record the first year of the child's life. This extras set includes 18 double-sided pages, 9 designs with 2 double-sided sheets per design. My Sweet Treasure collection also offers extras to cut. Here you will find all the graphics that will introduce you to the previously mentioned fairy tale creatures, and you will discover a flying whale, rabbit, lion, zebra, and many others. Like the previously presented set, this one also includes 18 double-sided pages, 9 designs with 2 double-sided sheets per design. The extras sets and the craft.o.clock basic mood collections complement each other perfectly. sure you like this new collection from Craft.o.clock. I wish you happy crafting and see you in the next unboxing video.